In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a house cleaning template in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple reusable system to track every room, stay on top of daily, weekly, and monthly chores, and see exactly what's due next. Start by creating a new page in Notion. Inside that page, type /table and choose a full page table. This will be your master task list, the single source of truth for all cleaning tasks. Give it a clear name so you can link back to it later. Now let's set up the key properties. Keep the default name property for the task name, like vacuum living room or wipe kitchen counters, so each row represents one repeatable task. Add a select property called area to label the room or zone kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, living room, or any other spaces you maintain. Add another select property called frequency, with options daily, weekly, monthly, and seasonal. Next, create a date property named last completed so you can record the exact day you finished a task. Finally, add a checkbox called done for quick manual checkoffs when you just want to mark progress without changing dates. With the database in place, create useful views. Add a board view and group it by area to see tasks by room, or switch the grouping to frequency to plan your daily, weekly, and monthly passes. Create a calendar view to visualize timing. You can show the last completed date to review history. Or, if your formula returns a date, use that to preview upcoming work. Then, add a linked view elsewhere in your workspace to build specialized lists. For example, a daily tasks view filtered to frequency is daily and done is unchecked. For light automation, add a formula property that calculates when a task is due based on the last completed date and the selected frequency. For example, if a task is daily, add 1 day, weekly, add 7, monthly, add about 30, seasonal, add around 90. Compare that result to today to flag overdue when today is past the calculated date. This lets you filter for overdue items and keeps your list honest. Finally, structure a clean dashboard. On a fresh page, use /linked view of database. Point it to your master list, and filter it to show only what matters now: overdue items and tasks due today or this week. Hide completed items with the done checkbox, sort by due status, and you've got a focused command center you can check every morning. Thanks for watching.